Alright, so thought I'd go ahead and shoot a quick little video today. Kind of nasty weather out, so really nothing to do other than sit at home bored or go out and drive in the rain a little bit, so I opted for the latter. I did have a video planned for a little project I was trying to work on for the charger. Since she is down for now, I do have to get the torque inverter restalled because the stall was too small for the cam. Go figure. So I will be down on that for a little bit. So as a result, the truck is going to be my daily for a while. So definitely not a bad substitute. Definitely have a lot of fun in the Ram. So it's definitely not a bad alternative. Just kind of riding around out buying some supplies for the install video I was going to do for the charger. I did get a new shifter for the charger just because that factory one was so daggone plain and didn't go through anything else I've already done in the car. So I will go ahead and ride and get to the house. I'll go ahead and show you what I have. Probably not going to get to work on it today because I don't have a garage to work in, and I definitely want to be as clean as possible with this install, consider the fact that it is an appearance mod and one that's going to definitely continue to add to the style and look of the charger. Definitely looking forward to getting that in. I definitely want to thank Dave from Barton Industries for all the help on trying to get the correct adapter for this kit. If you have not done this in your charger, there is a special kit that you need that you cannot buy directly from Speed Dog. You have to go through Barton for anything. I believe it's a 2015 or newer. So trying to communicate between both companies, get everything is kind of a challenge. They stay busy. I can only imagine just the kind of volume they have with people wanting to order parts. So once I get to my house, and I will go ahead and show you what's in the packages and give you an idea of what's going on there. And hopefully, if I can get a day off work soon and the weather's not trash because of the rain coming from the hurricane that's hitting down south, then I will work on getting everything put in the freak and see what that looks like. So naturally, as I get close to the house, it starts raining a little heavier, so all the joys of that. So definitely glad I don't live further south of what I do in dealing with what they're dealing with. I can imagine that it's pretty rough. I used to live in Hurricane Alley, so heart goes out to those people that are dealing with what they're dealing with that weather down there. So hopefully everything passes through quickly and people were able to stay safe and, you know, less injuries and less fatalities. So on to a happier subject than that, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to pull into my driveway. Well, not really a driveway. I'll park on the grass. I'll leave the charger parked up there. So I'm going to park down here so I got room to maneuver. Back into my little mud pit. That way that I can have a little fun whenever I pull out of here later on today and go somewhere else. You know, sling a little mud all over the road. That's always fun. That'll be my substitute since I can't really do burnouts on the charger now that's down. So I back as close to this fence as I can. Yeah, she'll keep doing that until I shut it off. So go ahead and turn this off and I'll show you what I got. So trying to do this one-handed, not easy, but you know, it can be done. So I did get the B5 Blue shift knob with the RT logo, since I do have a B5 RT charger. And I got the kit from Barton that comes with the hardware to complete this install. So to kind of give you an idea of what comes with that, you have spring, you have the two springs actually, you have the block, you have the screw that will go in on the corner right there, and you get a zip tie that as you pull your stuff through the shifter boots, you use that to seal it in place. Over here is the actual extension that goes over top of the shifter. So the only thing I'm really missing right now, guys, is the blue Loctite, because the kit did not come with that, so that is the only thing I'm missing to do this. And of course, decent weather. So I'm going to go ahead and call this video good. It is short for today. Hopefully I get an opportunity here in the near future to put some more content up on the page. Work has been crazy busy. Definitely living the life of retail hell right now. So please, if you can, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't cost you nothing. Don't cost me nothing. It definitely helps to get this content out there to reach more people and hopefully build the car community in my area a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and call this one done. Y'all have a good one. Later.